So I hope you guys are ready for this one because I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now I'm very excited to check this phone out. It comes in 5 different color options. I decided to go with black, so we'll see how it looks. Of course, as we are getting this, if you guys could tap that like button on this one, I would greatly appreciate it. So here we go. All right, this is our moment. All right, so obviously the phone is really big. An instruction manual on the top. Guessing there's like a charging cable in here. Probably an instruction manual. And I guess that's all we get. I guess no Samsung stickers. Come on now, some stickers would be kind of cool, right? But yep, that's it. Okay, so here is the phone. Now, it's got some pretty heavy-duty wrapping on it. This is actually on the Z Flip 5 as well. Whatever they're using is just pretty heavy-duty. So let me get it off, and we'll take a look at it. But yeah, man, this phone is big. It's beefy. It's also got some weight to it. Kind of surprised. Okay, here it is. Oh, dang. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I think black's totally fine to go with. The other colors you have on here are gray, blue's on a back order currently. You've got cream, and then you've got icy blue, which is also on a back order. Now, obviously, when you unfold and then fold this phone, it's going to be a lot smaller. But like I said, it actually does have some weight to it. I'm kind of surprised. It's actually pretty heavy, which it'll be interesting, seeing how this thing is, throwing it in my back pocket when I'm on the go. All right, so I'm going to turn this phone on. Just bear with me here. Oh, man, look at how big the screen is on this thing. It's 7.6 inches. Crazy. Okay, so to save some time, I am going to skip through the startup screen. And the first thing I always do on new phones, I just like to see what wallpapers are available. So let's switch things up and take a quick peek. All right, let's take a look at the top. I kind of like the beige, honestly. Maybe something beige up here. All right, we'll go with this one. Man, I got to say, though, it's just crazy how big this phone is, man. I mean, awesome. Just awesome. As far as some of the other specs on it, you got the 50 megapixel back camera on it, triple back camera. You've got a 4400 mAh built-in battery, which honestly, because this phone's so big, it probably needs a big battery. Of course, you've got the cover display on this phone, which you can basically use the entire phone from. Pretty crazy stuff, guys. Okay, the next thing I am going to do is throw up a little video so we could, see and hear this phone in action. And we're also going to play some Killer Instinct. So we're going to do some gameplay on Killer Instinct, which is available on Xbox Cloud Gaming. Of course, as we are getting into this, if you guys would like to learn more about this phone or get on our tech newsletter, we'll have some resource links below in the description. For now, let's run it.
Qué guapo.
Gracias, mami.
Guys, I wanted to thank you, both of you.
You need to lay low. Don't trust anybody, and don't take off that mask.
This message is from Roxxon. The underground will stop it.
They need you. Miles, what's the underground doing? They're after Newform. Tinkerer, stop!
Gotta say, I'm disappointed, but
Krieger. You think you can beat the Tinker? Roxxon, you can.
Every time I think I got this Spider-Man thing figured out, something goes wrong.
Miles, our family doesn't give up.
Whenever you say Spider-Man, you always mean the other one. You're Spider-Man. You can fix this. Your way.
Fight on. Ready. Fight. Sensing flame. Sensing flame. Another victory, yes, but there is always another battle.